Kavine here. Courtney is obviously in Jamaica, but together we are Majestic Love. So today I'm on another Cancun layover, and today I'm going out with the crew. Those are the pilots and the other flight attendants, and basically I just threw on a few, I look at something because, you know, yeah, going out and everything there. Have some dinner and be right back. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pretty basic. I didn't even bring a good shoes, it's terrible. But yeah guys, again, another wonderful view. I wish I could take you guys along, but you know, crew business. So maybe when I come back I will do a video. Yeah, but I think I'm running late now, so bye guys, love ya. Babe, who that girl that text me from IG I talk about you and her and things?
Which girl? Oh.
Babe, don't act dumb.
I ask him.
Don't act dumb.
Yo, you know
what? Why this girl come up on Instagram and text me? Why?
Babe, I don't know why you talk about. I have a clue who you talk about and why you in. You see me?
Babe,
so,
if one girl text me on my IG and tell me say.
So, look, you just get up, go set up the camera, and come in here, fuck it.
Babe, I'm not even joking.
Again, we said, this can't get you.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
This can't get me. You're too fool. I see everything you see.
Boy, bye. First of all, like, use lames, bro. Like.
You're a fool, man. You can't get me with that.
Don't worry yourself, Courtney. I got something coming for you. I got something coming. Babe, you don't have to use Instagram. What if the woman use Instagram?
Babe, come on. You have to try something better.
Watch me at you. Babe, you have not even pranked me yet. I mean, seriously, bro. You haven't even pranked me yet.
No, that's a matter of people say the prank is brewing. It's brewing.
Brewing, babe? How can it brew when you expect it?
You see, if the prank you have in mind, if you drop it by you, it would cost you your relationship.
Your relationship? Boy, you better not play that way there. You hear me? Top boy go cause relationship. Boy, if you know what's good for you, you don't tread them waters there.
So you are tread so serious about babe. I would have girl that text you from IG. It's like say you think when I saw a pussy.
Okay. But first you almost get a little. Yeah, you did get a little riled up a little bit.
No, sir. I think both things like madam, yeah.
No, you got riled up. You did. I have the recording proof. Oh, you were like, what? Yo, guys. This is just a failed one. But may I tell you, just like how me win pan the making the man my profile picture if you get your reaction, just like that, I'm gonna get you again though. So guys, comment below. Obviously I'm in the win because I give Courtney the most prank and he hasn't pranked me not once. So
no, God, no, let me tell you this, man. I take time with my thing. But now I rush my thing, you know.
Okay, Poppy. Oh, yourself, man. I got it coming for you. Anyway, guys, Majestic loves is peace.